hundreds of them. They're not close up, but you should. I'm telling you, you'd be surprised.
How about your grandfather?
What you can see through something like that. You can see the craters with binoculars and stuff.
Yeah, where's that at?
Yeah, but not on camcorder, I don't think.
I want to make sure that I'm your only second.
Second.
That's right,
You are third generation.
I've already lost a lot.
Your grandfather Gonzalez was born across the border from Zapata.
Zapata? So
Your-
he's
my
a true
gra-
Mexican.
Yeah, my grandmother was a Mexican. My
They're all fucking sticks.
That reminds me of who? Like who?
Me and
Thinking I
you.
was
Who are you talking to?
nobody right now. Like
That's
Russell,
who.
nobody. I'm calling Russell. Nobody's at home.
That's what I was thinking of. Yo ho.
Huh?
Yo ho.
Who? Oh.
Yo ho, nigga.
Oh, you don't want to take her? She couldn't go anyway because we'd leave before then. She's got practice all this week and she'll be gone on weekend.
Yeah, well, you can say with your goddamn fist in his face something else.
I don't know, man. I would still pressure. I would tell you an insurance company that, you know. I would have just spilled this all over me. I was thinking I had a bottle.
See, when is it like 1 hour? No, is it 2
1
hours?
hour?
2 hours.
Because this thing was like 6 hours or something. Because it.
Oh,
it was
okay,
a
that was the
real-
weekend that they had it at UT.
Yeah, well, they had it on. They also have it on PBS. I know you came here, but they.
Mr. Guano.
There's no reason to get scared this early until you get the bad news.
Students learn by critiquing each other.
There's no need to be so afraid right now until you get the bad news. You don't want to feel that you're good.
Mr. Guano.
I actually thought you were great. I thought you were, I didn't like the until you get the bad news. But I thought the tone of voice was much quieter. It had the appearance of being very empathetic.
Students say patients benefit most from the course. Rachel Hilderman helps teach the students that good rapport between doctors and patients has another benefit. Since 8 out of 10 doctors have sued sometime during their careers, a dozen other medical schools have begun similar courses to help students avoid malpractice suits and to prepare them for the way physicians' roles are beginning to change.
You don't have to be, you have to be human, which is what you need doctors to do, not superhuman.
Here, my doctor told me about this. Motrin IV. It's the same medicine as in prescription Motrin and non-prescription strength. It's great for minor arthritis pain. And one Motrin IV works as well as two regular aspirin. Try it. You'll have the advantage that's it.
Motrin IV, the relief of Motrin, with non-prescription strength.
When you live away from home, you don't see much TV or get many newspapers. So when you go out for the groceries, you don't make choices based on commercials or coupons. You choose based on facts. And of the 50 leading cereals, you'll find only one that's low in sugar and a good source of fiber and made from whole grain oats. Cheerios. Life isn't the sum of every day. Choosing cereal can be. Choose Cheerios. Choose Cheerios.
This man's incredibly close, comfortable shape comes from the Relco razor. But to see how he got it, we have to go back to when he began shaving. Not just above the skin, but below it. Here, our patented lift and cut system lifts the hair so when it's cut, it can actually drop below skin level without the blades even touching your face. Try it, and you'll keep going back to Norelco for a perfect shave. Norelco will make clothes comfortable.
Tonight on Nightline with Ted Koppel, the highest-ranking Reagan administration official yet, former Defense Secretary Casper Weinberger, indicted in the Iran-Contra scandal tonight.
Find this evening serving your country overseas. How often have you heard over the years that some Republican or Democrat fat cat has been appointed ambassador?